Okay, I'd like to give you a little airplane hangar man cave tour. Got the airplane, 1973 Beechcraft A36. Got a barbecuer. On this wall, it's mainly just aviation pictures. This is pretty cool. My dad raced boats back in the early 50s and won some races, so I've got some of his trophies. Got a workbench here. Of course, got a refrigerator, water, beer. On this wall, have some sawmill pictures. Somebody painted a saw blade for me. This is a bunch of people when I left Ear Falls, Ontario. Signed a picture with the mill picture on it. This is an old mill in Coeur d'Alene, Idaho. And then I've got a bunch of NASCAR, which I'm a big NASCAR fan. So Dale Earnhardt, and then Dale Earnhardt Jr. Got Keselowski up here. Got some races went to with my boy and grandkids in Portland last year. Got the toolbox, little office set up over here. And miscellaneous storage things. This one's pretty cool. And old engineer gave me these years ago. A transit and precision level. And they were manufactured in the late 50s, early 60s. Pretty cool stuff. Got my bike. It's electric for old guys like me. These are the hangars. There's about 85 of these in this condominium area, hooked to the airport, which is hooked to an air park where our house is, about I don't know, 10 or 15 blocks away. But pretty cool man cave.